Before starting, please turn off the printer and disconnect it from the power supply. Open the DTF printer cover and remove the power supply box cover. Unscrew the screws securing the motherboard. Disconnect the power cables from the old motherboard and connect them to the new motherboard. Please ensure the power cables are connected correctly to avoid wiring errors. Remove the old motherboard, install a new one, and secure it with screws. Reconnect the printer's power supply. Run a test print, and check if the printer functions properly. Turn the printer off and reinstall the power supply box cover to complete the repair if the printer works as expected.